People ask me if it's possible even to get an HIV vaccine in our lifetime. I am certain that it is. We have to stop HIV. It's killed millions and millions and millions of people, and even with the best drugs we have out there, it's running us into the ground. We have 1,000 people a day becoming infected in just South Africa. But at the end of the day, the one thing that will stop it is the same thing that stopped polio, that totally eradicated smallpox. It's a needle in the arm, and it's only going to happen out of Seattle.
So there are two big trials here in South Africa. The first one is the AMP study, where we're going to be infusing volunteers with an antibody that's known to protect against HIV. And then the second study is going to be a big, large-scale vaccine trial.
We have the most HIV in the whole world. We have all been devastated by HIV. We all have friends, family, people who work for us who've died. No South African has escaped that. It's a huge scar. I guess like apartheid is a scar in our psyche, HIV is also a scar. And so there's a huge willingness to contribute. If we find an HIV vaccine, it's not just because of some clever scientists in the lab, it's also because of people who enroll in the study and help us with their immune systems. So without them and their contribution, we would not have a team.
I thought I should participate just because I've seen a lot of people dying from HIV and AIDS. A lot of children were left as orphans, and back then there were a lot of funerals. Each and every weekend there was a funeral. It is not a nice thing to lose a person that you love. I was nervous, but I just played it past. The goal was helping people.
You know, the real heroes are people who volunteer for the trials. It is. It's asking a person to give over one of the most personal things about themselves, their immune system, to see if we can alter it through some sort of test, some sort of medication or a vaccine. Someday I want to sit my grandkids on my knee and say, listen, Grandpa was one of the people that helped us get a vaccine to stop HIV. And then I want them to say, what's HIV? That's my hope. And that is a day that I swear I will see.